Mountain hills on Dakota Deli, a young boy named Rocky with a cool no. One day his woman ran off with another guy. Young Rocky in the eye. Rocky didn't like that. He said, I'm gonna get up, boy. So one day he walked into town, booked himself a room in a local saloon. Now Rocky Raccoon, he checked into his room. Gideon's Bible, and Rocky had come equipped with a gun to shoot off the legs of his rival. His rival, it seems, had broken his dreams by stealing the girl of his fancy. Her name was McGill, called herself Lil, but everyone knew her as Nancy. Now she and her man, who called himself Dan, were in the next room at the hotel. Now Rocky burst in and grinning a grin. He said, Daddy boy, this is a showdown. But Danny was hard, and he drew first and shot, and Rocky collapsed in the corner. Wow! Now the doctor came in, and speaking of Jim, he proceeded to lie on the table. He said, Rocky met your match. And Rocky said, Doc, it's only a scratch, and I'll be better, Doc, as soon as I am able. Now Rocky Raccoon, he checked back